Warm greetings. Myself, Mrs.A.Sathya, Assistant Professor of Commerce, the Standard Fire Oaks Rajarathinam College for Women, Sivagasi. Today we are going to discuss about on the topic types of organization. Before going to the topic, we should familiar with what is organization and the types of organization. Organization. An organization is a group of people with a defined relationship in which they work together to achieve the goals of that organization. The word organization has come from the word organism, which means a structure of interrelated and interdependent parts. The parts or components of organization consist of men, machines, materials, methods, money, functions, authority and responsibility. An organization is a group of people with a defined relationship in which they work together to achieve the goals of that organization. This relationship does not come to end after completing each task. The next types of organization. In this organization, 6 types are there. The first one is line organization, then second line and staff organization, third functional organization, fourth committee organization, fifth project organization, then last one is matrix organization. Let's see one by one. The first one, line organization. The line organization is a simple and oldest type of organization. Line organization, the superior at the top makes decision and communicate his decisions and assign certain work to subordinate. This types of organization is followed in the army on the same pattern. Under this type of organization, the line of authority flow from the top to bottom vertically. So it is called line organization. This types of organization is suitable to only small size business units. In line organization, the various types, various advantages and disadvantages are there. The first, let's see advantages. In advantages, in line organization, it is very simple to establish line organization. There are no complicated relationship in such an organization. It can easily to understood by anyone. The line organization clearly defines by authority and responsibility of each individual. In line organization, there is unity of command, that is subordinate get orders from one superior only. The next, promote decisions can be taken as there is unity of command and control. It is economically. Then last one, it provides scope for better supervision. Then various disadvantages are there. Let's see one by one. The first one is it lacks specialization. That is, the line manager is responsible for both planning and execution of work assigned to him. So it is very complicated one. Then second, the line manager also overburdened with a lot of work because has to not only the monitor, the marketing manager for example has to not only monitor sales but also assess the performance of salesman, take care of advertisement and sales promotions and etc. So it is very overloading work of the particular superior. Then third one, line organization, there is always download communication. So because it is lack of initiative taken for the line organization. Then last one is limited communication only followed. Then last, the line manager enjoy monopoly in the matter of decision. It gives the scope for decisions that are determinant to interest to the subordinate. That is called lack of coordination. The next organization is the functional organization. The functional organization, there will be a separate department to look after different lines of activity. This types of organization is only suitable for large scale establishment. For example, the purchase department will take care of all the matters proceeding to purchase. The production department will look after all the production related activities, sales, advertisement, control of salesmen, anything. So, it is very complicated one in the task of functional organizations. This functional organization, various advantages and disadvantages there. The first advantage is it promotes specialization, that is each department specialize in a separate line of work, that is promote of specialization. Then each functional head look after only the specific activities. So, reduce the workload to the particular superior. Then third one, better control can be exercised over the various activities of the concern in view of present so many key executives, that is adequate supervision. Then fourth one is maximum efficiency to the particular task. Then last one, specialization and standardization with the result in mass production. This is financial organization of the advantages. Then disadvantages of functional organizations are the functional organization in widely in view of the presence of a number of departments and divisions. So, complex relationship in the functional organization. So, it is always difficult to secure proper coordination among the different department and individual, that is ineffective coordination. Then, any major decision requires the participation of different functional heads, they may lead to delay in arraying a decision, that is lack of responsibility. Then last one is it is very expensive one, because the creation of number of departments and divisions and also employment of many executives and the subordinate of staff will be involved. It is heavy expenditure one. So, it is not suitable for any organization. Then third one is line and staff organization. This line and staff organization, staff expert and line executives are combined together to the work. The staff expert do not have the power to command any subordinate. The staff expert only advise the line executives on certain matters. The staff experts provide relief to the line executives. This is the best suitable organization in this line and staff organizations always very more advantages and disadvantages. The first advantage is the staff experts provide support to the line personnel. This enables line executives to perform their duties much more efficiency. Then second advantage is reduce the work burden of the particular executives, because the staff expert certain activities their absence would be performed only by the line executives. Okay, then third advantage is the suggestion will be given by the staff experts to the better decision will be taken, that is best advantages. Then fourth advantage is the sharing of work by the staff experts also help to avoid delay in the performing of the entire work, that is called facilities to work faster and better. Then last advantage is specialization is attained, that is fully capability of the work. Then disadvantages are there, various disadvantages. The first disadvantage is conflict. So, because arises between the line and staff executive. So, it is very conflict. Then second disadvantage is ineffective result will be given. This line and staff organization. The last disadvantage is confusion will be arises, because the staff executives and line executives are there. Which one is better is a very confusion. So, these are all the line and staff organization advantages and disadvantages. Then fourth advantage is committee organization. Fourth organization is committee organization. A committee as a group of persons either appointed or elected who are to meet for the purpose of considering matters assigned it. That is, a committee is a group of persons entered with a certain task. Clear? The committee members are expected to discuss the problems under consideration in details and come with a solution. The board of directors of a company or a trade union of the workers may be cited as an example of the committee. The number of committee may be created in a concern depending upon their requirements. The review committee, for example, may be constituted to review the progress of work. The head of different departments will be members of such committee. The committee may meet the regular intervals and discuss the progress of work in the various levels. That is, various committees are there. The committees are standard or permanent committee, temporary committee, executive committee, advisory committee, formal committee and the informal committee. The committee organizations are various functions are taken. The first function, collect the necessary informations from the different sources and arrange the information orderly. Then second, the collected information is critically analyzed. Then third one, draft a detailed report containing the recommendations for the purpose of implementation. The last function, formulate the standard of performance for the purpose of evaluation of actual performance in future. Okay. Then committee organization advantages, the provides group judgment. It is a better organization. The second advantage is coordination works are done in the particular organization. Then disadvantages, it very expensive one because various committees are there. Then second disadvantages, take more time. So because one committee will take one decision, the another committee will be take another decision. So discuss very time taken will be more. Then third disadvantage, it is very difficult task. Then last disadvantage is no fixed responsibility. So any fixed responsibility for the committee organization. Then next organization, project organization. This project organization, the project organization idea was development after the Second War. So only this project organization developed for after Second War. The project organization can also be in the beginning of an organization cycle. The success of project organization depends upon the coordination of the various activities. This project organization is also various advantages and disadvantages. The first disadvantage is designed to individual projects. So it will be take very time. Then second advantage is makes to use specialized knowledge and skills required for particular staff. Then third advantage is fixes responsibilities on individuals. Okay, these are all the advantages. The next disadvantage is take more time for project organization. Then decision making is very difficult. Okay, because designed for individual projects. So individual projects means it will be result will be taken for very difficult. Then last one, more stress will be are there. This type of project organization. Then last organization is a matrix organization. This matrix organization has two chain of command. That is, the flow of authority is both vertical as well as horizontal. The separate departments are established for each specified task. A matrix organization is also known as multiple command system. This types of organization is only suitable for large number of small projects. This matrix organization, there is various advantages and disadvantages there. The first advantage is it offers the benefits of both functional organization as well as the technical specialization. It can be adopted to suit individual projects. It offers greater motivation for the personnel engaged in the project and they to know the interest its a successful completion. Then last one, it also promotes the communication between various personnel associated with the project. Then disadvantages are there. First disadvantages, the principles of unity of command, at each individual get orders from the both functional and project manager. So, very confusions are in the matrix organization. Then second disadvantage is dual command may be result is very confusion. Then quick decision may not be possible in such pattern of organization. It also gives scope for conflict among the personnels related to executive projects and delay. This is arising conflict resolution will be in the matrix organization.